Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get loans from Experian. First thing you want to do is head over to the Experian website, and then you just need to click on loans. And now, as you can see, there's this one website that says how to get a personal loan in 7 steps. So they will go through all these things. You can go ahead and read them. Like, they'll ask you a few questions, like your personal information will be reviewed. And then according to you, like as you can see, they have personal loan or like debt consolation, things like that. And when you click on them, get started, they will ask you personalized questions to see where you are. Like let's say you need a 10,000 loan and you're gonna pay monthly 310. So what's the APR term, things like that. And also you have this personal loan calculator that you can use. So basically, you just need to click on get started. For me, it's not going to work because I'm outside the USA, but it's just going to take you to a website where they ask you a bunch of different questions to ask to get to know you better, to know you which position you exactly are in. Make sure you put the correct information since this is government related, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.